Everyone always asks, what's the secret to making tests easier? Is it even possible to get through them without staying up super late the couple nights before, going through things over and over again as much as humanly possible? Well, I can't tell you the secret to making tests take absolutely no effort. If I really knew that, do you think I'd be giving it away for free? There is one thing that you can do that will make your studying so much easier. I know you've been told this before, and I know that if I just say you should start studying earlier, you're probably going to turn off this video, because if that's what you wanted to do, you would have just done that. All you want to do is to just make things easier, and they totally can be. I'm going to tell you to throw away everything you know about studying and start fresh, because there is a time for studying, but there's also a time for review. And review doesn't have to have all that stress and pressure around it. Review can just be review. So I'm not going to tell you to start studying early, unless you want to. I'm going to say start reviewing early. Like now. The easiest way to learn anything well is to do it passively. Your brain prefers to learn things by regularly spending little chunks of time on them instead of having one stupidly long study session. So help your brain out by reviewing things every day. This doesn't have to be full-on studying, just reviewing. Before you finish each day, quickly read over everything you covered that day. Also, take another few minutes and reread or retype some notes from a previous day. Even if you don't feel like putting a whole ton of effort into it, just the fact that it's running through your brain one more time can really make a huge difference. While you're doing this daily review, keep track of lists and fancy words that you always forget and make flashcards out of them. That way you'll have something simple to pick up if you ever have little random bouts of time that you need to fill. It's also really good for your brain to review things out of context, so the fact that you might have a little flashcard deck with things from different subjects is actually really useful for your brain. For more tips on helping you get that A+, check out this playlist. It has tips on note-taking and other hacks for studying at home. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss another video. I'll see you soon!